Hello everybody, it's the 10th of June today and this is my Chamaecyparis, is that right? I can never say these Latin names properly. Chamaecyparis gingerbread tree is what it is. I'm not even sure I've got the species right now. Ever have those moments when you doubt yourself? But anyway, I've decided that I'm going to defoliate this tree in order to get some more leaves and some smaller leaves. They have come down in size quite nicely, but I think I want to trim it a little bit to encourage some more ramification, and I think I can do that at the same time. And in fact it'll probably be even easier once I get rid of the leaves so I can see what I'm doing. So if I pan across, you can see that I've already been doing a bunch of my Japanese maples and things, so it is the season for it. So let's move you in a little bit closer so you can view the head, as it were. Pleased with the way it's opened up and beginning to form that canopy. So without further ado, I'm going to start leaf pruning. These leaves, as I say, they've come down in size a lot. No scent to them at the moment, but they do have a delicious sugary, some call it candy floss, some call it gingerbread. It's definitely a very sweet smell in the autumn, and they go a delicious yellowy colour as well. So taking the opportunity to leaf prune and shorten some of these growths in the hope that it'll throw me out some nice finer bits and bobs, some nice ramification. That's the word I'm looking for, not bits and bobs. So I'll continue and we'll speed this up. So here we've got a nice shoot that's growing out nice, but far too long, far too straight, so I'm going to trim that back fairly hard within the canopy to, as I say, encourage that back budding, and with a bit of luck, some denser ramification with lots more leaves giving off that sugary scent. Back to it. Just gonna quickly pop a little bit of wire on this stubborn branch here, just interfering with another one, and just bring it out and down a little bit. That's better. Maybe, yeah, no, that's okay as it is, like that now. It's not interfering, particularly with that. It may grow one into the other again. Likely will grow one into the other again, but that can be looked at again in a structural prune come winter. Do you ever get the feeling someone's giving you the evils? Well, see if I can move the camera without making you all feel too dizzy. There's a certain Parker. It's just staring at me. I think he wants his lunch or something, or I'm not giving him enough attention. I don't know. For those of you who don't know, Parker is my daughter's dog, and we do all the dog sitting duties when she's at work. So he's a new addition to the family, relatively new anyway. Cooper is, you may just be able to make him out through the foliage, lying off camera as normal, trying not to be noticed. Back to the tree, almost done. I don't really want this tree growing a huge amount taller, maybe a little bit, I guess. Maybe get the canopy a little bit more rounded. But I am pleased with the way it's growing so far. I haven't had it very long. For a nursery stock tree, yeah, it's doing well. I'm wondering, some of these pieces may interfere with one another at some point, but we'll cross that bridge if and when we come to it. So there we have it. Let's pop the can in for scale. Always seems a bit of a shame when you've cut all the leaves off. The tree, to my mind, looks a little unbalanced, taller this side than this side, and I'm wondering, will I regret doing this? I don't know. I'm going to do it anyway. The cutters. Going to remove that piece. You can let me know if you think that was a mistake or not, but I shan't be gluing it back on, that's for sure. So let's give you a quick 360. What was I saying anyway? Yeah, it always seems a shame when you cut all the leaves off. But I always love to see trees in winter anyway, with their bare branches and their twigginess. So, and then of course you have the delight of almost a second spring as the tree flushes back out again. So there you have it. I should just say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, comment below, but most of all, please stay safe everybody.